to remind you, the time you came to General Secretary, you don't have visual. You don't have visual to give anybody. But we are giving the secretary to you. So now you are a big man. You want to punish people. Look at nonsense. If you are the chairman, so what? Come on, the chairman, so what? So I think I want to tell you, I'm the constituency chairman. I don't care about you. I don't care about you. Oh, people, you can't come to tell me again.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagana and Sam TV show. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Danny, Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Quality or baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo President. Now also the problem in Biason Selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Buidi. Ya many am for the Messiah, Dr. Ladma Umbo Yamadi and as few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I said, I'm man your 7 a.m. I had hatching in the yam and your 7 a.m. printing yam. The Uye Biano, Uyanwa was inti. Dachi Biano. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. I just said, be a home bachelor. I want to remind you, the time you came to General Secretary, you don't have visual. You don't have visual to give anybody. But we are giving the secretary to you. So now you are a big man. You want to punish people. Look at nonsense. If you are the chairman, so what? Come on, the chairman, so what? So I think I want to tell you, I'm the constituency chairman. I don't care about you. I don't care about you. Oh, people, you can't come to tell me again. Look, is a two-time you want to vote with them, you get chance. Because of your stupidness, you won't get chance.
Who should be the minority? We got over that time. Then new things were emerging. And I said that we have to change the forward line of parliament. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us to win election. President Muhammad disagreed with me. But I said that, look, you have elected me as chairman of this party. I am the coach of the party going into the election. So let me make the changes that will win us the election. When we win, we all enjoy together. Since I made that change, I say my brother Harruna sit somewhere. The other guy, Muntaka, you also sit somewhere. Let people come, new people come, and you sit on the bench and watch. There was hell. And people started thinking that somebody who has been my friend for more than 20 years has certainly become my enemy. I said, how can Haruna become my enemy? He cannot become my enemy. But I am a coach, and I must watch how our opponents are
press conference.
But I want to arrange myself for us to be able to win.
Say, your flag bearer in opposition, Eka say,
when we did the arrangement,
he believes,
we went into the election.
See, the state of emergency,
the victory that NDC brought
as at that time, no,
have you seen NDC in Ghana since the beginning of the war?
It is a crime. Wababa your company. Na say, sabi a different.
we cannot ignore Muntaka and Haruna in the setting up of our government. So they need to be given big position. President Mahama agreed and they gave them big position. And we are working together. So if you are in Tamale here, and you are forming groups, Haruna group, Asiedu Nketia group, and so on, it is not our case. It is your case in Tamale here. It's not us. Because we are working together. And so, Chief, I just came to thank you and to assure our followers that NDC will continue to be one. There will be struggle for positions. There will be times people will be angry, others will be smiling. But at the end of the day, when we are struggling for things, we must make sure that the vehicle we are traveling in together will remain intact. Don't let us carry our differences in ways that will destroy the NDC vehicle that keeps us in power. So I want to thank you very much. I want to thank the good people of Tamale South.
General Mosquito, the national chairman of the NDC, Asiedu Nketia, atutu bi amane education minister meche Harruna Idrisu. Owie wa mananso wa atutu bi amane the other guy meche Mohammed Muntaka, the interior minister. Now the momientie asema Asiedu Nketia ekaye ewo Tamale.
And new things were emerging. And I said that we have to change the forward line of parliament. President Mahama disagreed with me. I am the coach of the party going into the election. Since I made that change, I say my brother Haruna sit somewhere. The other guy, Muntaka, he also sit somewhere.
Now after say Harruna Idrisu ehu sa video it is answer me ono so atutu bi dia ma the General Mosquito Asiedu Nketia ono so say thank you to no ekoso no the proper one na nkasa the Ewura President Mahama koye enye the cutting razor no na momientie Ewura Harruna Idrisu so there.
And I recall when President came for his thank you tour, not the other thank you tour, the proper thank you tour of President Mahama. Proper thank you to President Mahama as President Flag Bearer. What cannot be said, because we can say it. A proper thank you of President Mahama, not the curtain raiser one. Not the curtain raiser one.
Say Asiedu Nketia etoto emane Harruna Idrisu any the other guy Ewura Muntaka no. No monso etoto edema Ewura Asiedu Nketia. Me mediki aka say NDC for eja eda NDC party ni mu no. Say yade say mudi moni ehu na nkasa amre Ghana for mu nyina mate ase say NDC party no agu. Na ensema ekoso we nyina anya nsem bia say enche na NDC omo ba beto aba akwakoyi nipa obedi omanim ede omako 2028. Yey NPP for the year no matter nipa NDC for ede ne beba no Dr. Baomia ebe BT say nipa no na eno na enam so ama NDC party no say ukoduru mu a ye wode Asiedu Nketia faction, ye wode Harruna faction, ye wode Ato Force faction, ye wode Vice President faction, and I'm so ama division bebre apa party nim na NDC national chairman Asiedu Nketia was saying ono ande gina mu ema ye Harruna Idrisu any Muntaka free parliamentary leadership because at that time no ono netina ase do won so dey coach omo homo dey and o ma the President John Dramani Mahama here dem elutu omo edi omo free one edi new faces here dey ebaye eno na nam so amasa amre ya ka say Ewura Harruna Idrisu ene Asiedu Nketia omo ntem no aye gidigidi here dey e wo ho no batasema ya ka kire NDC party ni nyina ne say Ghana for they are fed up, they are tired with the NDC because mo promise Ghana for some mo 24-hour economy and a 24-hour economy in war. Mo promise necessary or mo automatic nursing posting and anyone yentimin teachers ka yentimin koko for ka mo dia na ya esanse Ewura erikopoku ni Ato Forcing or mo ko jira one mo ka say Ewura kufu wa koko for krono and nti ebe ya na monkwaje omonsesa ebesisa mre momo ba ye matimi atukoko sika so omusika so ese de mo ma yintimi mfa mom enu nti sese ukopia NDC party mu dia ejakase pa na eda NDC party nim asema ye ka che NDC grassroots nyina ne se empanyimfo na mu eko e wo soro honom na mo amwo fom no ede na mo beye monso na munya bi diye monso na mabre monso na ya bomo monso na makwatena pick up to akoye eyezu eyeza ebesi samre mo frem panyimfo ye kro mo mfa enu na kira say o serve panyimu anase o serve a political party a na wahwe ye enye political party bia na ye serve no especially political party bi to say NDC obunya party omobo omodine Ghana for ho obunya party omobo omodine amomanfo ho ene NDC grassroots bi esu na say na entokwa na start say eba no de ene mo be su ache papa
as ye coming now as of 2025 726 in fact around this time 800 billion Ghana cedis na this year they can hold any ye kwa ahe
na minister na juma ya me yen no Rock City no me margin is amount for management and I'm very happy with them. 14 companies 2021 in a bid year. I knew about the bid.
Okay.
But I mean a bay. Yeah, but second time 2020 manji post. Until almost call through process na and almost shortlisted 3 companies. Senate. After 3 years, 2.5 years, open tender. A biographic movie, and almost shortlisted 3. Into 3 companies, and almost shortlisted. Now Rock City Kahubi. There was nothing wrong with the transaction until Midimba up for vice president. And the Bay issue.
Was this an agenda?
Then I'll carry Ghana honey away.
Doctor, who can say Ghana honey? Who understand you? Was this an agenda?
From 2021, there was nothing wrong with the Senate go through processes now from 14 companies, almost only so about 3 open. Probably be anyhow. Me be a minister April 2023. Almost started at the end of 2021. 2022. 2023 April. And I'm a minister. Internal Rock City was part of 3 now my shortlist. You know. It took 1 year, 2024, and no more enter negotiations. No problem be any. Kopim da, I became one of the potential names for vice president. And about for Kofa and no Edibai. And then Smith announced to say, that's so per partners. I'm called parliament on this, I'm so per partners. Because hotels in our essay. Ye can so we declare profit 2024. Mubian who declare profit. None of the we declare profit ko check it. Snit that's what tia e binu mo so light bills be seen. Omufa pensioners can ma ko tia light bill. So yes, time wa me be a minister 2023 no. Na be a transaction e do no. Me ya hwehwe because it started 2021 I go through processes nisa asembia ni ho 2023 kwa me be a minister asembia ma ho 2024
I won't say no we are threatened. So was it within the party in a ban sana
wa kika unse mum na
me no ye me no me no na ji
ko wa kika unse mum na wa
na ma me bisa.
Blame it on the rain. Do you remember that song? This is what they do. This is how politics has become. And then they say that politics is dirty. Politics is not dirty. It is bad people who create that impression. Politics is not dirty. This politics that you've done, this kind of politics you've done, you are depriving old people. You see, if it was in some country, we'll take an impeachment process to parliament because you are depriving old people of their money. SNIT is a national backbone. You are depriving SNIT of money to satisfy your ego, your caprices and whims. You want to satisfy that ego and to bring down another. Ghana, we like that too much. The new generation is not like that. The youth are not like that. I see they push up each other. They're not like that.
chairman, former NCA board chairman, only a member of this government, went to complain